can't even conceive of what this is. It's stranger than we can suppose. What I'm going to show you here is the final terminus of the wave in 2012. Now remember, this is the same wave we've been looking at in all our discussion before, but finally the wave not only descends deep into novelty, it descends into the maximum possible depth of novelty, which is signified by the horizontal scale of the graph. Time has many scales and many densities. So I'm confident that what we're doing here, creating models for new technologies that allow the human mind, if not eventually the human body, to explore higher dimensional space, not as an abstraction, but as the fabric of their own lives and the life of the culture and cultures in which we are all embedded.